Hi everyone, it's Christina here from Green Umbrella Marketing. This is going to be a really short video this time. I talk a lot about Twitter lists and how you can really use them to organise the time you spend on Twitter. And I just want to show you a little trick that I use that just makes it even easier for me to use lists. So if you look on the phone here, I've opened up my Twitter app, and as usual, I'm presented with my home feed, and I can scroll through, and I can hit like, I can maybe retweet something as well if I wanted to, just same as normal. But what you'll notice is actually if I swipe, so I'm just going to swipe across there, I can move my home feed out of the way and it brings in one of my Twitter lists. So you can see my recruitment influencers list here. If I swipe again, it's going to show me my social media influencers list. And I'm just going to go back to my home feed. Okay, so for you to make sure that you can use Twitter in this way, first you need to make sure that you've got lists set up. So if you don't know how to do that, I've got tons and tons of webinars that kind of show you how to use Twitter. If you're thinking like Twitter's not, just don't get it. Most people, they use those words, I don't get it, when it comes to Twitter. So I've got loads of content can help you on that. We've got other videos on the YouTube channel as well that will show you how to create your Twitter lists. But I'm going to assume you've got them set up already. All you need to do is if you, again, swipe again, but the opposite direction, so swipe left to right this time, it opens up that menu for you. You can click into lists, and that's going to show you a list of your lists. And as you scroll through, you'll see a little pin next to each of your lists, okay? I feel like I'm saying lists so many times in this video. If you want to pin a list, what that's going to do is make it so it becomes swipeable, okay? So if I look through all my lists, you can see I've got my recruitment influencers and my social media influencers lists there. If I unpin my social media influencers list and I'm going to pin my cool kids lists instead, these are like my friends, if you like, my mates on Twitter. So if I just hit back in the top left, you'll see now I'm back on my home feed. So again, this is the screen that opens up when you first open your Twitter app. And if I swipe right to left this time, I'm brought to my recruitment influencers list. And if I go again, I'm brought to my cool kids list. And it's fab because I can literally, like I say, I've created these lists to make my life easier on Twitter, to make sure the time that I spend on the platform is super efficient. So I'm now going to go through the cool kids list and I'm going to like a tweet. And I know everyone in my feed right now, these are all going to be brands that I care about. These are contacts of mine that I have really good relationships with, and I can go ahead and I can engage with them, and I'm also going to make sure I don't miss anything from them as well. So there you go. That's it. That is one way for you to use your Twitter list to make sure the time you spend on Twitter is really, really efficient. Like I said, if you think that Twitter isn't the thing for you, if you think, Christina, I don't get Twitter, there are so many reasons for you to use the platform. Check out some of our other videos on the topic or reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help. In the meantime, though, don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you on another video soon. Bye for now.